Hello students, let's learn about computer codes. Computer codes are used for internal representation of data in computers. As computers use binary numbers for internal data representation, computer codes use binary coding schemes. In binary coding, every symbol that appears in the data is represented by a group of bits. Thus, computer codes represent various characters, numbers, and control keys that the computer user selects on the keyboard. Some of the commonly used computer codes are binary coded decimal called BCD, extended binary coded decimal interchange code called EBCDIC, American Standard Code for Information Interchange called ASCII, Access3 code. BCD code. BCD stands for Binary Coded Decimal. It is one of the early computer codes. In this coding system, the bits are given from left to right. The weights 8421 respectively. Since these weights are just the place values in the binary system, a decimal digit is encoded as its binary representation. The most common BCD code is the 8421 BCD code. In this, the BCD equivalent of a decimal number is written by replacing each decimal digit in integer and fractional parts with its 4-bit binary equivalent called nibble, the most significant bit, and proceeding towards the least significant bit. In 4-bit BCD code, only 2 raised to 4 means the 16 configurations are possible, which is insufficient to represent the various characters used by computers. Hence, 6-bit BCD code was developed by adding 2 zone positions with which it is possible to represent 2 raised to 6 means 64 characters. In this table, the digits 0 to 9 are represented using zone code 00 with binary code 001 to 1010. Okay, the digit 1 is represented in the 6-bit BCD code is 000001, 2 000010, 3 00001. Okay, like that. The same, the alphabet or characters A to Z are represented using zone code 11. In that, the A to I alphabets use zone code 11, J to R alphabets use zone code 10, and S to Z alphabets uses zone code 01. And with binary number for A to I alphabet representation, it uses 1 to 00001 to 1001 binary code. J to R, same, it uses zone code and binary code. The zone code is 10 and binary code 0001 to 1001. Okay, and S to Z, it has the zone code 01 and binary code 0001 to 1000. Okay. For example, the L alphabet, it is represented in 6-bit BCD code is 100011. Okay. In 6-bit BCD code, the first 2 bits represents its zone code. The remaining 4-bit represents its equivalent binary code. Next one is EBCDIC code. EBCDIC stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. This coding was developed by IBM International Business Management. It is an 8-bit code and so it has 2 raised to 8 means 256 possible code groups. This coding scheme is used with large computers as mainframes. When representing a EBCDIC code, it used to represent 8-bit code in that first 4-bit code represents zone code and the remaining 4-bit represents its equivalent binary number. Okay, for example, here the A to I alphabets uses zone code 1100, but binary code it starts from 0001 to 1001. The next, the Z to R alphabets uses zone code 1101 and it starts from binary code 0001 to 1001. Okay, and S to Z alphabets uses zone code 1110 and starts from binary code 0010 to 1001. Okay, and 0 to 9 digits uses zone code 1111 and starts binary code from 0000 to 1001. Okay, for example, here the K alphabet represents its equivalent BCD code is 11010010. One more example, the 5 digit is represented in EBCDIC code is 11110101. Zoned decimal numbers are used to represent numeric values, that is a positive, negative or unsigned values in EBCDIC coding. A sign indicator is used in the zone position of the rightmost digit. The zones for all other digits remain as F, the zone value for numeric characters in EBCDIC. In zoned format, there is only one digit per byte. Thank you.